Hey, good morning everyone. This is Vineet Narvekar and welcome to all of you on another live session of Technology Talk, where we are going to discuss on latest technologies, products and solutions that offered by Hikvision. Today we are going to discuss on the latest technology, that is Color Group and its product range. For this, we have with us our guest speaker, Mr. Prahlad Pawar, Pre-Sales Manager from Hikvision. Prahlad, welcome to Technology Talk.
Thank you, Vinit, for having me here. And good morning, all. Welcome to this session.
So before begin, I would like to inform you all that this entire session we are going to talk on the color blue. But in that, there is a quiz contest. Those who will participate in that quiz contest will get chance to win exciting gifts from Hikvision. Also, if you have any query, you can type in comment section. Due to network, if your video gets stopped, then you just go back on home page and join the session again. So let's begin our session. So Prahlad, first of all, I would like to ask why color book and how it is a game changer in market.
Yeah, as you know, Vinit, as a Hikvision, we have been developing a technology, and
Okay.
this is one of the breakthrough technology in the imaging technology.
Yes.
That is the color view. And as you can see, we are going forward, innovating the things and passing the benefits of that to our SI partners as well as the end user.
Okay.
So, in this session, we'll be exploring the current Indian challenges, what we face.
Yes.
Then we will be seeing the core technology behind color view, and during end of the session, we'll be having seeing some case studies and some product demonstration videos.
Okay.
So, before we start, I would like you to guess something. So, can you guess this object?
Prahlad, here, frankly speaking, I think is it a planet or I think is it a ball? Am I right?
Okay. Let's see if you're right or not.
Oh, it's a orange.
Yes. So see, that is the importance of colors in our life, day-to-day life.
Okay.
See, when we don't have color, we tend to have the misjudgment.
Okay.
Like as a human tendency, when we define certain things as a human object, so we say that what color human is wearing or what color object is. So without color, we lost major information.
Yes. So the color is most important
Yes,
to
definitely.
identify the object.
Right.
So lose color, okay, you can lose the complete
Vital
core
information.
information. That's what we want actually.
Okay.
Okay, so that is called as is related with the object Prahlad. So,
Right.
but what about in the case of the surveillance or the video footage? How it is important to get colorful information?
Correct. So while starting that, I'll take you to the history part.
Okay.
So as you know that in those 1950 eras, we used to have that black and white TVs.
Okay.
And going forward, then we had in 1980 eras, then we had color TV, and nowadays we have white dynamic screens, LED TVs,
Yes.
which is supporting I think around 16.7 billion colors. So as
Okay.
you can see, human race never stops searching for the colors. So similar to that, as a Hikvision, we have been developing the technology in imaging.
Right.
So in 2000 eras, we used to have black and white cameras, which we call it as a conventional IR cameras. Then in 2013-14, we developed a dark fighter series, which works in the
Okay.
low lux level. And then now we have the breakthrough. We have
Yes.
breakthrough in the colorful images, so which is
Yes.
called the color blue technology.
Color good technology. Yes. So what about especially in somewhere the locations at a time of night vision?
Definitely, yes. Yeah. Also, you can see in that first image. Can you guess anyone in the first image in that dark alley?
In the first image, Prahlad, here also I am confused totally
Okay.
because I know this is an outdoor location in the first image of camera, but I am not able to judge the person is coming. He is actually a lady or a man or woman. I am not able to identify.
Right. Because see, major of the unfortunate incident happens in the night time.
Okay.
So you can say darkness is the best protector of them.
Yes.
So as you can see in the first image, you cannot see anything, right? The noise and the black and white image gets blend in the background.
Yes. Exactly. Because I am not able to clearly view that image
Correct.
because it's a night time. I think.
Right, definitely. And also in the second image, could you guess which fruit that grocery lady is having?
I can guess only there is a lady, okay, it's the grocery shop, but
Okay.
the important thing, the fruits or any object which are there, I'm not clearly identify which is that exactly. It's a mango or any other fruit, I cannot identify.
So that is a drawback of not having color in the image itself.
Okay, okay.
So also in the third image you can see there is a parking lot you can see. Can you identify the number plate or can you identify the color of the car?
Prahlad, here also I'm not able to clearly view the number plate and the color also of car also.
See, that is the problem. So when we talk about the vehicle number plates or the parking scenarios, there is a strong backlight, there is a strong headlight coming on the camera view.
Okay.
So you don't get the clear picture as you can see in the third image. The cannot identify which number plate is or even you cannot identify the vehicle attributes.
Yes.
So let's move ahead with the transition. Let's see how color brings up the importance.
Oh, that's it's completely magic. Now in the
Right.
colorfulness, I can able to identify Prahlad. You have asked me the first image, second image, lots of fruits are there. I can identify that. And in third also, I can easily track the number of that particular car,
Correct.
even the color of the car also, which is
Right.
most important in the parking area scenarios.
Right, definitely I can see that the lady is having I think orange, right?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
it's all right.
And in the third image you can see the magical use of the color view camera where you can identify the number plate without getting the details hampered. You can also
Yes.
identify the color of the vehicle.
So that's very important here. I can identify the clear object.
Right.
So that's more important, Prahlad. I think why color view? Okay.
Correct.
So color view importance is that in surveillance especially आपको आपके एरिया में अगर कैमरा लगा है उस एप्लीकेशन एरिया में तो दिन रहो या रात के समय पे एग्जैक्टली आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना चाहिए कि ऑब्जेक्ट वहां पे क्या है.
Correct.
So that's what more important. It gives you precise and more detailed image, as well as there is a benefit in the good security also. So it's a good very thing. 24/7 we are getting the colorful image. But I am more curious, Prahlad, to know the technology behind of this.
Right, right, definitely. We will go through that one by one. As you can see, color view has the multi-dimensional application areas.
Okay.
So you can say be it your household securities where you can put the cameras in your stairways or parking lot or the
Okay.
lift lobbies where you
Okay.
have dark alley. Or you can say in the commercial areas where you can put it just like we see in the grocery store.
Yes.
You can put the camera to identify what products you are having on the shelf.
Yes.
And to identify their colors or their types. Or you can say, see in India nowadays we can see extreme weather conditions.
Yeah.
There will be a heavy rain, there will be a heavy sunlight or external calamities. So you can put this camera in the outdoor scenarios also.
Yes, that's a very good outdoor scenario as well as indoor. Everywhere you can put this camera. So there is a grocery shop is there. We can see parking area. We have
Right,
also seen.
right.
And in factory or the outside of the premises buildings,
Correct.
we can provide this particular camera which having this color technology.
Yes, definitely. So going forward, as you talk about the technology.
Yes.
So see, when we develop a new technology,
Okay.
and within the same price range. I'll tell you one thing. See, this technology we have developed within the same price which is available in currently in the market.
Okay.
So
Right.
when we develop a new hardware, we need to compensate few things. So there required a new enhancement.
Right.
So in this, we have active alignment technology,
Okay.
which we say you can say the accuracy of the pixels, which adjusts so that the 4 pixels adjustment is even smaller than the 1/30th of the diameter of hair.
Okay.
So you can see the calibration level. And this technology also we have available right now in 5 megapixel as well as 8 megapixel, which is a 4K. So now people want more high definition. They want to view the high definition image in the bigger screen. So we have this in the 4K also.
दैट्स ग्रेट प्रहलाद. हमने देखा था कि कलरबू कैमरा हमारे पास 2 मेगापिक्सल और 1 मेगापिक्सल की क्वालिटी में वहाँ पे क्वांटिटी में अवेलेबल है, बट कहीं ना कहीं आज 4K ओके हाई रिजोल्यूशन अगर आपको चाहिए इन दैट ऑल्सो यू हैव अ ऑप्शन अवेलेबल विद दिस टेक्नोलॉजी.
Just like 5 years before, there were HD cameras 1.3 megapixel, 2 megapixel.
Okay.
But nowadays 4K is a new normal, you can say. So we have catered this technology in the 4K also.
So that's great. And what kind of hardware enhancement, okay, in this particular camera because it's a colorful camera. Okay, so what kind of hardware enhancement as compared with the normal conventional camera?
Right. So when we talk about the hardware enhancement,
Okay.
see we have majorly improved in the three categories. Let's see one by one. The first one is a aperture, that is f1.0 strong aperture. The second one is an advanced sensor with noise reduction, 3D DNR algorithm.
Okay.
And the third one is friendly lighting. It has the supplement light, where you have the low light, you can enable or disable the supplement light.
Okay.
So let's see one by one how it works and what are the benefits. When we talk about the aperture, see aperture plays very vital role in providing the brighter light.
Right.
So lower the value of your f-stop, the brighter is the image.
Okay.
As of now, the industry is having f2.0 aperture. So imagine you have connected a camera in the dark alley. It's giving the black and white image in the night as gets IR gets enabled. Now, as compared to that, imagine you get the color image four times better,
Okay. Right.
four times better and four times brighter image
Yes.
without losing the details, minute details.
Yeah.
So that is the main fundamental behind that. See, the aperture works on the lighting scene. The more light it takes, the better outer image, better output it gives. So, as compared to f2.0, it has got four times better light collection.
Yes, f2.0 जो हम नॉर्मल कैमरास में देखते हैं, इस कैमरा में कहीं ना कहीं f1.0 यूज किया है।
Yes, yes,
उसकी
right.
मदद से हमें बहुत ही लाइट कैमरास के अंदर वहां पे आती है एंड इट्स रिजल्ट टू गिव यू बेस्ट क्लैरिटी इन द इमेज।
The bigger size of aperture, the bigger
Yes.
is the image brightness, or
Yes.
the bigger is the image luminance.
So that's aperture is the most important part because हमारे पार्टनर्स जो बहुत सारे पार्टनर्स है सीसीटीवी का वहाँ पे काम करते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं वहाँ पे ये वैल्यूज आती है। Okay, f1.0 f2.01 like that.
Right.
So most of the लोगों को वहाँ पे पता नहीं रहते exactly what.
Correct, correct.
So it's a good aperture is one of the first hardware enhancement we have seen.
Right, right, right. So moving forward,
Okay.
we have a second feature which is high sensitivity sensor.
Okay.
It is equipped with a 3D DNR algorithm. Now what happens is when we connect the camera in the dark alleys or in the night time, so if you try to get the color image by disabling the IR, so at that time what happens is you can see the noise level getting increases. You see many grains in the image itself.
Yes. Yes.
So that hampers your quality as well as you don't get the minute details. So we have equipped our camera with the 3D DNR algorithm sensor. So it compensates the noise level and it gives you the clear, crisp picture in the night time with the color.
That's important प्रहलाद I think because कलर को कैमरा okay हम यूज कर रहे हैं नाइट टाइम में हमें सर्विलेंस करना है वो इम्पोर्टेंट है।
Right.
सो मोस्टली जहाँ पे लाइट सफिशिएंट है नहीं वहाँ पे मोस्ट ऑफ द हमारे पार्टनर्स वहाँ पे इमेज के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं नॉइज वहाँ पे फेस करते हैं स्पेशली ऑन द इवनिंग टाइम वेयर देयर इज अ वेरी डल लाइट। सो उस नॉइज को वहाँ पे ओवरकम करना और आपको क्लियर इमेज देना भी बहुत जरूरी है। आई थिंक दिस विल ओवरकम दैट पर्टिकुलर
Part. Yes, yes. Also, I would like to mention that when the noise increases, it tends to trigger your motion also.
ओके
So जहाँ पे आपने अगर मोशन पे कैमरा रखा है,
राइट
तो अगर नाइट टाइम में आपका नॉइज बढ़ जाता है तो इट ट्रिगर्स मोशन डिटेक्शन,
Okay,
so that
okay.
increase your storage space also.
Definitely. So this is what more important that 3D DNR noise reduction we have available and basically in a color technology.
Right, right. So moving forward,
Okay.
the next important feature what we have is supplement light. We call it as a supplement light, environment friendly. So the purpose of this light is, suppose there is a camera you are connected in certain location, there is ample amount of light is already available.
Yes, yes.
And in another scenario there is a pitch dark condition
Right.
and you want a color image.
Yes.
So we have the provision to enable or disable the supplement light, and as per your requirement, you want to cover a longer alley in the darkness,
Okay.
you can have the 40-meter bomb light camera,
Yes.
or if you want to cover a smaller area in indoor scenario, you can have the 20-meter supplement light camera. So it is ranging from 20 to 30 to 40 meters as per your installation scenario.
Yes, it's ranging for 20 to 30 meter, right? But the supplement light, जैसे आपने कहा कि is more important because night vision है, कलर वो कैमरा वहाँ पे कैप्चर तो कर रहा है, बट कहीं ना कहीं pitch dark condition,
Right.
बहुत सारे साइट्स पे ऐसी कंडीशन आती है कि completely darkness है,
हाँ.
वहाँ पे आपके कैमरा को इमेज को कैप्चर करना है।
correct.
So supplement light भी वहाँ पे available है. Automatically the camera will switch on the supplement light and you will get a view of all entire.
Absolutely. See, when we talk about the supplement lights, it's environment friendly.
Okay.
Normally क्या होता है जब आप strobe light वाले कैमरा यूज करते हो, when it falls on human eyes, it's kind of irritating.
Right.
So to consider that fact, we have enabled the environmental friendly light. जब भी आप light अगर enable होता है, so it won't give you the problem to your eyes. It's
Okay.
very eco-friendly. That's it.
Right. So that completely over here we have the features available because there is a advanced aperture plus image sensor also developed,
Yes.
and here the supplement light also we have available. So ColorView technology completely we have with the advanced enhancement in the hardware, and why ColorView that also partner get understand. So सभी को यहाँ पे पता चला होगा तो all the viewers है कि कलरफुलनेस का इम्पोर्टेंस आपके वीडियो सर्विलेंस में कितना है, एंड ये ColorView टेक्नोलॉजी वहाँ आपको कितना हेल्प कर रहा है आपका कैमरा को व्यू 24/7 प्रोवाइड करेगा.
Yes. Definitely.
So that's very interesting and insightful information, Prahlad, and technology also very good.
Yes.
And hope our partner is enjoying this all technology core information because हमारे बहुत सारे पार्टनर कलर को कैमरा तो यूज तो कर रहे हैं बट उसके पीछे टेक्नोलॉजी क्या है और कैसे वर्क करता है, दैट्स इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
Yes, right. So, that has been the motto of us.
Yes. That is the
knowledge
motto
of technology.
of Technology Talk, where we are discussing especially on the technology and the challenges you are facing actually on your side.
Right.
So hope our partners are enjoying and the viewers are viewing this video. Now it's time to all of our partners. We are launching our quiz contest 1. Okay. So जहाँ पे सभी को वहाँ पे चांस है हिकविजन की तरफ से वहाँ पे आपको गिफ्ट मिल सकते हैं. So I will show you a question of your quiz contest 1 on your screen. So this is your first question. What will be the aperture value for ColorView camera? ColorView कैमरा की aperture value क्या है? इस क्वेश्चन के बाद मैं आपको 4 ऑप्शन बताने वाला हूं, A, B, C और D. The right option, the correct option you want to put in your comment section. Those person who will first quickly put the comment, they will get chance to win prizes. The option is A, f1.8, option B is f1.0, option C is f2.0, and option D is f1.6. Your time will start now.
Do I get to answer this?
Yes, Prahlad, you want to give the answer? Yes, you can give, but at the end.
Okay. And can I get the gift on that?
Yeah,
Can I get
sure.
correct answer?
Yes, definitely. But आपको इसका सही जवाब बताना है हमारे दर्शकों के लिए, but इस सेशन के आखिर में, where we are going to announce the winner also at the end of the session.
Definitely.
So hope our partners have given the right answer in their comment section, and they are getting the all much more information through this ColorView technology. So moving to the next part, Prahlad, over here, I want to ask, we have seen a good quality of technology we have available. Okay, there is a lots of feature in multiple application scenarios.
Right.
So in this ColorView technology, what key products we have available, especially?
As you said, we have bifurcated as per the conventional methods, which
Okay.
is analog as well as IP.
Okay.
And also we have bifurcated as per the features available on the lux level of the aperture,
Okay.
which is Moonlit Silver and Starry Gold.
Okay.
So going forward, we will see this, how this bifurcation and what are the features available in this product.
Right.
So first one, what we have is a Moonlit Silver. As you can see, the lux level is down to the 0.001.
Yes.
So that plays very important role. See, when we say about the lux level,
Okay.
see it plays very vital role in providing the brighter image. So
Okay.
if you have lux level 0.001 lux, so
Yes.
the camera will give the sharp color image in that lux level,
That's more important.
right?
Yeah.
And lower than that, you have supplement light, which is your savior.
Yes.
Correct?
So it's a good means लक्स लेवल की बात करें तो ये लक्स लेवल भी यहाँ पे 0.001 लक्स लेवल मिल रहा है, प्लस वहाँ पे एक आपको सप्लीमेंट लाइट भी.
Yes.
So addition of this, you have said there is another model variant category we have available
Correct.
in the same turret shape.
Right. And in the same storage state, we have Steri Gold. So in fact, we have this model over here. I'll show you.
Yes.
Uh, so as you can see, it has got a golden strip, the Steri Gold camera series.
Okay.
It's got a golden strip. And we were discussing about the sensor, which is having f1.0. The sensor is over here, and downward side you can see the white strip, which is your supplement light. So as per your condition, side scenario, you can enable or disable. It supports up to 40 meter. So apart from that, this Steri Gold series also equipped with 130 dB WDR.
Oh, that's great.
Sometimes what happens is customer asks us like, I have connected a camera in entry or exit scenario,
Okay.
and there is a strong backlight coming, and I cannot identify the face of the person coming in.
Okay.
So in that scenario, this is your answer.
Yes.
130 dB dynamic range.
130 dB डायनामिक रेंज दैट मीन्स आई थिंक प्रहलाद अगर डायनामिक रेंज WDR वाइड डायनामिक रेंज की बात करें तो हमारे बहुत सारे पार्टनर बोलते हैं कि ये सिर्फ IP कैमरा ही में ही फीचर अवेलेबल है एंड स्पेशली ये WDR की फीचर हमें बहुत ही यूजफुल होती है जहाँ पे हमने कैमरा अगर एंट्रेंस लोकेशन पे लगाया है
Right.
और सामने से कोई पर्सन एंट्रेंस डोर से आ रहा है
Correct.
तो पीछे से बहुत ही सनलाइट या बैकग्राउंड से बहुत ही ब्राइटनेस आता है
Yes, yes, yes.
एंड आई थिंक उसकी वजह से पूरा फेस या पर्सन ब्लैकिश वहाँ पे दिखता है
Definitely.
उस सिनारियो को आपको ओवरकम करके आपको एक क्लियर इमेज चाहिए तो ये WDR हमारी हेल्प कर
Yes,
सकता है
that is your savior.
yes that is a true WDR a 130 dB true WDR we have available in analog SD category
Yes, yes, yes.
that's good so we have seen turret shapes in the both silver and the gold category now what about the bullet
Bullet camera. Yes, yes, definitely. As you mentioned,
because it's mostly people are connecting at the outside
outdoor
Yeah,
cameras.
yeah.
As you can see, this is when we see talk about the conventional cameras.
Right.
The parts, the mold will be in the parts.
okay
So this is one part. Then second is this, and third one is your cabling part.
yes
So as you can see here, this we call it as a built-in seal design. It's a
Okay.
single mold from your lens to your cable. So what happens in when we connect the camera in outdoor scenarios, there is a extreme rain or extreme calamities.
yes yes
So your camera tends to have a moisture or the water leakage inside the camera. So that decreases your product life. आपका
Right.
सर्विस कॉस्ट बढ़ जाता है. You need to send the camera to repair center again and again.
yeah
So to overcome that, we have developed a built-in SIM, which is a single mold design, and which gives you the IP67 protection.
okay
So I'll tell you, IP67 protection is, you can say, highest grading in the general surveillance. The another one is IP68, but it is not for the general surveillance. It is for the special application. So you get the continuous protection from the dust as well as the strong water.
Right. So this is a completely a single molded unit we have available. So बहुत सारे हमारे पार्टनर्स है इंस्टॉलर्स है जो चैलेंज फेस करते हैं स्पेशली इन द बारिश के समय पे
Correct.
जब ये आउटडोर कैमरास हम लगाते हैं बुलेट
Right.
कैमरास तो कहीं ना कहीं मॉइस्चर या उस कैमरा में पानी जाना ऐसी बहुत सारी डिफिकल्टीज हम फेस करते हैं
Correct.
सिंगल मोल्डेड डिवाइस डेफिनेटली विल ओवरकम ऑल दिस प्रॉब्लम एंड गिव यू अ बेस्ट रोबस्ट कैमरा एट आउटसाइड So that's a very interesting feature we have available with the Bullet camera. Now, Prahlad, I would like to ask. We have seen this key product. Okay. Now, overall, if you want to showcase a complete product range in color, so what the complete product range we have available, so we can choose the best product.
Yes, yes, definitely. As I said earlier, we have also bifurcated this as per the conventional methods, which is analog as well as IP.
Okay.
So in analog, we can see there are two categories we have available, which is DF0T and DF3T, which is a moonlit silver and Steri Gold as per the second bifurcation.
Yes.
And it is available in 2 megapixel, 4 megapixel, and a 4K, which is 8 megapixel.
Okay. So all the megapixel resolution variant we have available.
Yes, yes, yes. And second thing is, as per your installation scenario, you can choose the lens, which is 2.8 mm or 3.6 mm or 4 mm.
Yes, because the location, suppose if you are connecting camera either inside or outside, आपको कितने डिस्टेंस तक व्यू करना है
Right.
उसके ऊपर डिपेंड आपका रहता है कि कौन सी mm की लेंस आप चूज करें.
Correct, correct, right.
सो वेरिएंट्स उसमें भी हमें मिल जाते हैं.
Yes,
That's good.
definitely. And it is also equipped with the IP67 protection, as you can see in all the models.
Okay.
And then there is a supplement light, which is your savior in the night time,
Yes.
give the colorful image. Also in the Steri Gold, we have implemented a new features, which is a built-in mic.
Okay.
Now what happens is sometimes your setup is already done,
Mhm.
and maybe after 4 to 5 months, end user says that I want audio connection. I want to pick up the sound happening in that surrounding. So you need to put the external hardware and all this connection.
Okay.
So that additional cost is there. So we have implemented the inbuilt mic in the SD camera. So you need not to put the external circuitry for the audio connection.
Okay.
You just plug the camera with your DVR and your work is done.
So there is new feature that built-in mic directly available in the camera. So कहीं ना कहीं पहले के ज़माने में हमको जस्ट कैमरा कनेक्ट करो, देन उसका केबल अलग से कनेक्ट करो पावर सप्लाई, देन ऑडियो केबल आपको कनेक्ट करना पड़ता है, देन डीवीआर के पीछे आप अगर कनेक्ट कर रहे हो तो यू वांट टू मेक श्योर देयर इज ऑडियो इनपुट शुड बी अवेलेबल.
Yes, right, right.
सो नाउ इट्स वेरी इजी, कैमरा के अंदर ही हमें इनबिल्ट माइक वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. So quite interesting range of features we have available in analog HD. Okay. Now what about the IP?
In IP, yes. Moving forward, in IP also we have similar bifurcation. We
Okay.
bifurcated as per the features available, which is color view light and the color view standard.
Okay.
As you can see on the screen, the left hand side is a color view light series, which is you can say most economical in the color view.
Right.
As earlier said in HD, similar to HD, it's also available in 2 megapixel, 4 megapixel, and 8 megapixel.
Okay.
And you have optional lenses, focal length 2.8 mm, 4 mm, 3.6 mm,
Yes.
equipped with True WDR. And one more thing, in standard series, we have also incorporated the SD card part.
Yes.
So-
That's good.
As you see nowadays, the criminals or robbers are getting very intelligent. अभी जैसे हम देखते हैं कि बैंक्स और एटीएम्स में जब चोरी होती है, so they take the recorder itself. पूरा सेटअप उठा के लेके जाते हैं. So you get the data loss from that.
Yes.
To
Yes.
prevent that data loss, we have incorporated the SD card in the camera.
That's very important to prevent the data loss. SD कार्ड का आपके IP कैमरा में होना जरूरी है.
Yes, yes.
प्रहलाद, over here just wanted to add on. ये SD कार्ड हम यूज करते हैं तो either we can use a 128 or a 256 capacity.
Yes.
But I think this SD card should be a surveillance.
Surveillance grade. Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's important. सभी viewers के लिए हम बताना चाहते हैं कि अगर आप IP कैमरा, surveillance IP कैमरा आप यूज कर रहे हो तो हम रिकमेंड करते हैं कि वहाँ पे surveillance memory card आप यूज करो.
Right.
So in last session of Technology Talk, Prahlad, we have discussed about the intelligent storage division products. In that there was a Hikvision surveillance memory. और हमने बताया था कि importance और difference between the normal memory card and the surveillance memory card. So those who have missed this session, you can go on the Hikvision India YouTube channel where you will get a Technology Talk intelligent storage device section. So definitely we will get the idea about the surveillance card. तो ये सारे फीचर प्रहलाद यहाँ पे हम लोग मिल रहे हैं, बट IP कैमरा, एनालॉग HD, ये दोनों कैटेगरीज इसके अंदर अवेलेबल है. सो इस सारे फीचर से कहीं ना कहीं हमारे पार्टनर्स को वहाँ पे आज आइडिया आ रही है कि एग्जैक्टली विच कैमरा, कौन सा कैमरा कौन से लोकेशन पे देना है. कलर बुक की बात करें प्रहलाद की जो प्रोडक्ट रेंज हमने सारी देखी, तो मेन चैलेंज जो पार्टनर्स हमारे पूछते हैं कि कलर बुक कैमरा तो मॉडल बहुत सारे हैं, बट मैं कैसे उस कैमरा को स्पेशली वो लाइट कंडीशन के सुटेबली सजेस्ट कर सकता हूँ. सो उसके ऊपर आई थिंक जैसे आपने कहा कि लक्स, दैट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट. वी हैव टू सी द लक्स लेवल ऑफ द कैमरा विच यू आर सेलेक्टिंग फॉर पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन. सो आपके लोकेशन के हिसाब से वहाँ पे लाइट एनवायरमेंट कैसी, लक्स लेवल क्या है, उस हिसाब से आप कैमरास को चूज कर सकते हैं.
So I'll tell you one more thing. As you mentioned the lux level, since we have 0.005 lux, gives you the superior image, and this lux level, it is the you can say the best lux level currently available in the OEM.
Okay, that's great.
Globally.
सो लक्स लेवल की बात करें तो वहाँ पे इतनी लो लक्स लेवल हमें मिल रही है. इवन डार्क पिच कंडीशन है फिर भी हमारे पास सप्लीमेंट वहाँ पे कैमरास में अवेलेबल है. सो कहीं ना कहीं कलर वो कैमरा आपको यूज करना है लो लाइट में, बट शाम को 6 बजे या 7 बजे उसके बाद कंप्लीट जब डार्क कंडीशन होगा एनवायरमेंट में तो वहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं सप्लीमेंट लाइट तब जाके आपकी स्टार्ट है.
Yes, yes.
बट लो लक्स लेवल है डेफिनेटली कम लाइट के अंदर भी कैमरा विदाउट सप्लीमेंट लाइट एक अच्छी और क्लियर इमेज दे सकता है.
Right, right.
So hope your partner are getting understand what this technology of color, how we can push the product at to the right place. So now we were moving to the quiz contest part. Let's will have a quiz contest too for all of you. देखते हैं क्वेश्चन क्या है सेकेंड क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट का, व्हाट्स द मिनिमम लक्स वैल्यू फॉर DF3TC सीरीज। DF3T सीरीज के लिए लक्स वैल्यू क्या है, मिनिमम लक्स वैल्यू क्या है। आपके पास ऑप्शन है, द ऑप्शन ए is 0.002 lux, option B is 0.005 lux, option C 0.01 lux, and option D is 0.015 lux. Your time will start now. So let's come on. If you know the right answer, आपको right answer पता है, just comment section में type करो A, B, C या D. Those who will type the very fastest answer, they will get chance to win the prizes. So that's the time up. So Prahlad, we have seen why actually importance of the colorful. We have covered the technology behind of this for getting the colorful information, and also we have seen the product range. Now I wanted to know about the video, actual video of the colorful camera. कि ये वीडियो कैसा दिखता है और नाइट टाइम पे स्पेशली, और उसको अगर हम कन्वेंशनल कैमरा के जैसे IR कैमरास हम लोग पहले से यूज कर रहे हैं उसके साथ कंपेयर करें, सो हाउ दिस वीडियो लुक, सो डू वी हैव एनी केस स्टडीज फॉर दिस?
Yes, certainly, Vineet. We have put up some global case studies as well as some Indian case studies.
Okay.
जहाँ पे हमने compare किया हुआ है with conventional camera against the true color camera. As you can see in the first video, on the left hand side there is a colorful camera. On the top right side there is a dark fighter camera, and on the left bottom, on the right bottom there is a conventional IR camera.
Okay.
So as you can see, the transition happens from the evening to night. The IR gets enabled first on the conventional camera because as it has the, you can say as compared to these three cameras, it has the lowest, you can say the largest lux value.
Okay.
And moving forward, you can see the transition again. Yes. As you can see further, when the transition happens from evening to night on the further lux level, here even dark fighter cameras cannot hold color image because it works on the certain lux level. Below that, it tends to provide you the black and white image. And then your winner, which is a color view camera,
Yes,
keeps
yes,
on
yes.
giving you the colorful image.
Colorful camera is a winner where we can see, यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं completely कि conventional camera मतलब black and white image देता है, तो जैसे ही वहाँ पे लाइट बहुत ही कम हो रहा है, IR वहाँ पे शुरू हो गया है, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट इमेज मिल रहा है। ब्लैक डार्क फाइटर टेक्नोलॉजी, ओके, जो हिक्विजन की डार्क फाइटर टेक्नोलॉजी है, वो भी कुछ हद तक वहाँ पे कलरफुल इंफॉर्मेशन आपको प्रोवाइड कर रही थी, बट the winner is a 24/7 a colorful camera.
Right.
So
also,
this is yeah.
Also, you can see in the image as we talked earlier about the noise reduction. You can see the image is very crisp clear.
Okay.
It's like what you see is what you get.
Yes, yes. Image is very crisp clear. What you see, what you get. तो वही इम्पोर्टेंस है कि बैकग्राउंड में जो ऑब्जेक्ट है इस इमेज के अंदर प्लस फोरग्राउंड में जो ऑब्जेक्ट है ये कंप्लीट हमें कलरफुल में मिल रहे हैं, वो भी नाइट टाइम में, स्पेशली वहाँ पे डार्कनेस आता है उस इमेजेस में, तो वो चैलेंज वहाँ पे कवर करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है।
Yes, yes.
So this is just global case study. Do we have some kind of Indian case studies also?
Also, we have put up some Indian videos also. You can see the first one is it's from Mumbai location.
Okay.
You can see the difference between them. Amazing.
Yes, that's amazing, Prahlad. Actually, it's a night-time surveillance, and we are getting the complete view of all buildings.
The second one is from India Gate, Delhi.
Color view in India Gate, Delhi, India.
So here, I suppose there will be people around because this one I suppose it's very crowded.
Yes, it's a very crowded place, but I cannot see Prahlad.
Yes,
actually.
even I cannot see that. So let's see what we get in the color view camera.
That's completely magic.
Nice.
And all people as well as the India Gate, it will get in a proper color,
Yes.
proper brightness.
As you can see the color contrast in the night time, and you can identify the face attributes also in the people.
Okay, okay. So that's we have seen very good conditions we have available where we will get colorful information. Okay, and this is very enough. प्रहलाद, that colorful information अगर आपको चाहिए तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको कौन सी जगह पे आप कैमरा लगा रहे हैं.
Yes.
नाइट टाइम है, डेफिनेटली कलरफुल इंफॉर्मेशन आपके लिए वर्क करेगा ही.
Correct.
बट उसके साथ साथ अगर हमें रिकमेंड करना है, ओके, बहुत सारे हमारे पार्टनर्स वहाँ पे एक सवाल पूछते हो कि कलरफुल कैमरा है, कौन से एप्लीकेशन सिनारियोज के लिए मैं इस कैमरा को रिकमेंड कर सकता हूँ. So what are the broad applications scenarios we have available for this color?
Right. As we seen earlier, the color view camera has the multi-dimensional application.
Okay.
Be it your residential scene where you can put the camera is in lift lobbies, stairways, or
Okay.
your for the home perimeter protection.
Yes.
Or in take example of commercial for your retail grocery stores. You can put it in the supermarket to identify the products in the shelf, their color attributes or their shape and all these things.
Right.
Or you can put it in your manufacturing plants also where you have a low level of light.
Right.
Also in parking lots you can put the color camera to identify the color of the vehicles as well as the other attribute which is most important, the vehicle number plate and the
Yes.
color marking. Then there is outdoor conditions where you have extreme rain or extreme sunlight or certain changing calamities. So you can put the color cameras over there.
Right. So certain changes are there, means application scenarios we can see. आपके समय आप देख सकते हो कि बंगलोज भी है. ओके, बंगलोज के बाहर पेरीमीटर प्रोटेक्शन है, रिटेल शॉप्स है, एंड उसके साथ साथ पार्किंग एरियाज और अदर लोकेशंस भी वहाँ पे हमारे पास अवेलेबल है. So that's quite interesting. We have seen a lots of features. I think we have to see now a complete overview. Okay. So about this color camera, कहाँ इस कैमरास को देख सकते हैं या कहाँ एप्लीकेशंस की वहाँ पे यूजफुल हो सकते हैं.
In fact, we have put up one video
Okay.
which will give you the overview on current challenges what we discussed, the core technology behind it, and the application areas.
Okay.
So let's see. As you can see that it's connected in the grocery store. You can identify the details, the products put up in the shelf. This can be used can be for the perimeter protection. The parking lot, the magical use of color view in the parking lot.
Yes.
This one is a time-lapse video 24/7 as compared to the conventional cameras where your color view camera keeps on giving the right colorful image throughout the scene.
That's very interesting. I think we have seen a lots of feature because अलग-अलग parking scenarios है या perimeter protection करना है, हर जगह आपके लिए ये colorful camera suitable.
Yes, yes.
So very interesting technology and lots of features are available. Now हम प्रहलाद देखते हैं कि हमारे कुछ पार्टनर जो व्यूअर्स अभी हमारा ये शो व्यू कर रहे थे, so कहीं ना कहीं उन्होंने कुछ सवाल पूछे, कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछे. So we will handle now the customer queries. So one of our partner have asked one question. Do this colorful camera support with normal DVR or normal NVR?
Yes, that is very good question. See, what happens is when we do certain setup
Okay.
and if you want to buy a new technology or a new product.
Okay.
So earlier what used to happen is you need to change the entire setup, you need to change the entire cabling, all these things.
Okay.
So that is the beauty of this product. It can work with your existing setup, existing
Yes.
DVR. See, I'll tell you one thing. I can show you that. See, as we have this functionality available in our HD normal HD cameras also.
Yes.
See, there is one button which gives you the flexibility of selecting the input. So even though if you have HD DVR or older analog DVR, or if you have third-party DVR which supports, I guess HD CVI or HD TVI, so you can connect this camera and your work is done. It will give you the colorful image.
That's very fantastic, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आप कलर टर्बो एच डी कैमरा या एच डी टी टेक्नोलॉजी का कैमरा ये यूज कर रहे हो, थर्ड पार्टी डीवीआर फॉर अनदर टेक्नोलॉजी आपके पास है, तो कैसे आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
Right.
सो दैट्स वेरी गुड. हार्डवेयर स्विच वहाँ पे अवेलेबल है.
Correct.
आपको जस्ट आपके कैमरा का उस टेक्नोलॉजी का मोड चेंज करना है. डेफिनेटली इट विल वर्क. वी हैव रिसीव्ड सेकंड क्वेश्चन प्रहलाद अबाउट द सप्लीमेंट लाइट.
Okay.
Okay. Can we enable or disable this supplement light?
Okay. Yes, yes, that is certainly possible. See, as we talked earlier,
Mhm.
see, it is depend on your application scenario. Suppose you don't want the supplement lights to get enabled,
Right.
you can disable it. As per your scenario, enable, disable. Also, there are variants available from 20 meter to 40 meter. So, as per your
Okay.
application scenario, you can choose that.
Okay. So the supplement light we can change according to our requirement.
Right.
Next question we have received about the supplement light only. The range. Okay. Usually, ideally, what the range of that particular supplement light,
Correct.
or how can we suggest the another range of supplement light to another application?
Application areas. It is available from ranging from 20 meter, 30 and then 40. So suppose you want to cover the narrow alley, the darkness,
Okay.
जहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा दूर तक आपको सर्विलेंस चाहिए,
Yes.
there you can put the 40 meter supplement light camera. और जहाँ पे आपको इंडोर सिनारियो में कैमरा लगाना है या स्मॉलर एरिया इन द आउटडोर सिनारियो, you can put a 20 meter supplement light camera.
Okay, that's great. So according to this, the range of the supplement light we have available, we can choose the particular camera.
Correct.
So that's the question we have received from our partners. Now a quiz contest question.
Okay.
Okay, Prahlad, you want to tell the right answer. Now it's an opportunity I'm giving to you because all our partners also waiting to announce the name of the winners. Okay, हमारे क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट 2 में और 1 में जो विनर्स है वो हम अभी देखने जा रहे हैं, बट उसके पहले देखते हैं कि हमने जो सवाल पूछा था क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट 1 में, क्वेश्चन 1, उसका सही आंसर क्या है. सो लेट्स वी विल हैव अ क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन 1 था कि व्हाट विल बी द अपर्चर वैल्यू फॉर कलर वो कैमरा. कलर वो कैमरा के लिए कहीं ना कहीं वहां पे अपर्चर वैल्यू क्या है. सो प्रहलाद, आई विल गिव यू अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्लीज टेल द राइट आंसर.
The correct answer would be f1.0.
Correct answer is F1.0. This is a right answer, and we have a winners. The first quiz contest winner is that Mr. Ashish Rajat. Mr. Ashish Rajat from Ashish Telecom. And the second winner of quiz contest 1 is Mr. Amiya Tripathi from Pin Technology. Amiya Tripathi from Pin Technology.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to the quiz contest 1 winners. And Prahlad, now move on to the second quiz question we have asked.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
let's see the question. What's the minimum lux value for DF3D series? क्या रह सकता है इसका सही आंसर?
The correct answer for this question would be 0.0005 lakhs.
Yes, right. B 0.005 lux. And the winners are Sahil Mohiddin, eSecure Electronics, and second is the Seema Devi, Creative Eye Security System. Congratulations to all the winners for giving a right answer, and they are lucky to get the gift right now today with Technology Talk from Hikvision. So here, Prahlad, we have discussed lots of about this colorful technology and very insightful information we have shared, and I hope this all information is useful for all of our partners, and right now they can pitch directly a right product, a right camera to the right place. Thank you so much, Prahlad, for being here today and sharing lots of expertise about the colorful products.
Thank you, Vinit, for inviting me. I hope our SI partner as well as our end user
Yes.
make best use of this technology, the breakthrough technology, you can say.
So thank you all for joining this session. We will meet next time with next topic. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you.